So, hi guys! We're going to name the country's alphabet with Madam Bibi. Okay, let's start. Okay, Casey.
A is for Argentina.
A for Argentina. Okay, good job.
Argentina have two stripes and are made of the sun.
Wow. Okay, letter B.
Brazil.
Brazil.
C for Canada. Two red stripes and are made of the leaf.
Wow. Letter D.
Dominica.
Dominica.
E for Egypt.
Okay.
She's a black, red, and made of the eagle.
Wow, Egypt. Okay, letter F.
France.
France.
She's a blue, white, red.
Galing ng France. Okay, next country is
Germany.
G. What color?
It's
You don't-
rainbow. It's a lot.
I know, it's a lot. Okay, H.
She is hungry.
Hungary. Okay,
I for India.
India. J for...
India is Namaste.
Okay. J.
For Japan.
Japan. K for...
Kenya is Jumbo.
Okay. L for...
Laos.
M for...
Mexico.
N for...
Nepal.
Nepal. O for...
Oman.
Good job. P for...
Philippines.
Good job. Q for...
Utah.
Qatar. R for...
Russia.
Russia. S for... S
Spain.
for... Wow. T for...
Turkey, Tunisia, and Thailand.
Galing. U for...
USA and UAE.
Good job. V for...
Vietnam.
Vietnam. W...
No, starts with W.
How about X?
No.
And then Y.
Yemen.
Yemen. Z for... Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Good job. Good job, Madam
Zimbabwe.
Bibi. Mommy's so proud of you. Say bye-bye na sa guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Mami, malay ako kay Ma'am